first problem is the problem of focus. They come to me and they want to change something, but they come and they're talking the broad spectrum. I have to help them focus in from broad to what the real issue is that they're needing to change. And once we can really get focused in and kind of get rid of some of the extra that they don't need to think about yet, then it's much easier for them, and then it makes it easy for me to come up with solutions for them.